What's up, guys? It's been a long time, and I have another vlog for you. We've been doing this piercing for a very long time, and we haven't really put it on YouTube. So today we're going to show you guys the hidden helix. I filmed one using this new camera I got, where I wore this little thing over my head, and it looks like a GoPro, and I filmed it in like a POV style, so you got to see that. This is my very first time filming, so if it sucks, I apologize. But you'll get a good idea of how everything looks, but it's pretty cool because it's POV. And the next one, we just filmed it directly. When Alyssa's doing it, that's a little bit better quality. Also, we're still testing this new camera out, so yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I know we haven't put a vlog out in a long time. We've been very busy preparing for the new store, so here's a vlog for you to enjoy. Can I film this piercing with my new toy?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, this is a perfect one right here. Okay. I have to ask for permission first. So we are doing a cluster and a hidden helix. Okay.
The clusters for a jewelry chain, she said she's had it for like...
Ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. Excited.
I'm scared as always.
Why?
I don't know, I just...
It's another piercing. You can put it right there. Yeah. This is a stress ball kind of thing.
Okay.
There you go. Tie your hair for me. You're dead center, right? Mm-hmm. Perfect. The way I like to plan for it is I'll first mark where the center of the ear is. Okay. Once you agree that that's the center and that's kind of how you want it to look, then I'll go ahead and just put the piercing there. It's pretty easy. Mm-hmm. You have a flat piercing on the other side?
Yes.
It's exactly like that,
okay.
Just higher.
Higher.
Yeah.
So same pain?
Same pain.
Okay.
If any.
Yeah, that one did hurt.
It did?
I think the forward one hurt more.
That's a small sensitive. Look how
Yeah.
fucking perfect that is, yo. I'm glad I didn't let you pick anything else. Look at the curve, the size, it just fits
nice. That's what
nice.
she said too, that the, it fit the curve.
Yeah, that's like why it's designed. You've experienced way worse than this, so.
Yes, I have.
Whoopsie. Okay. Tilt your head down a little bit. Yeah, just want to get the ear as middle as possible. You have the perfect ear and situation for it too, you know? Mm-hmm. Put the back of your head down for me all the way. Turn your head all the way over. Okay, I'm just gonna... Yeah. How was that?
Oh, okay.
Easy, right?
Yeah, it was. It's just afterwards.
Yeah, that afterburn.
Really,
like I said, it's like a flat, just in the upper part of the ear.
I feel like my flat hurt more.
One ear could be more sensitive than the other.
No, this one's my sensitive ear.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Then I have no idea what to say. Okay, let's put this guy in there. Just remember, come back in 3 months so we could potentially downsize it.
Yes.
It hides just under that area. It's my favorite. Clean the ink off now. Okay.
It's so cute.
Dope looking ear, like the cluster,
I
the
know,
forehead,
I just
everything.
buy some earrings from here.
Obviously, I don't have to lecture you on how to take care of it. You're a pro at this.
Yeah.
Fine. Any questions?
No, no questions.
Thank you for letting me
Thank you.
film, and thanks for letting me do that piercing.
Yes.
And then they did tell you that it would show a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Looks good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's, I mean, if that's as hidden as
That's
you can
as
make
hidden
it, then
as it'll be, yeah. Just look that way for me. Alrighty, deep breath in and out. How do you feel?
Good.
Alrighty. I'm gonna clean it up. I'll try to move it a little bit higher up just so that it's not so much sticking out, okay?
Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna have you sit up, take a look, see how you like it. Let me just fix the chain. Here you go. Alright, go and take a look. See how you like it. You like it?
Yeah.
Cute. I'm gonna show you how to clean it, okay?
Okay.
So to clean it, be very careful because you have the post sticking out from the top, okay? You're gonna spray the inside, catch. Spray the back, catch, okay? Well, the top. As long as you do that twice a day, you should be fine. No picking at it, leave it alone, act like it's not there, and you should be a-okay.
Okay.
Come back in about 3 months. We will do a checkup and see how it's doing. If it's feeling good, we'll go ahead and downsize. If it's not ready yet, we won't, okay?
Okay.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the hidden helix video. Hopefully we get to post some more hidden helixes. It's becoming very popular, very trendy, and it's one of my new favorite piercings to do. So if you are interested in getting one, you can book an appointment by clicking the links below. But until next time, peace.